Hello. This series of videos will be focusing on developing a PCBA line. As seen on Alibaba.com, PCBA lines can be quite expensive. Here we have an entire line from the price range $30,000 to $105,000. If you're more into buying your equipment piece by yourself, you can also buy a pick and place machine for approximately $4,000. You can also buy a larger one, approximately $5,000. Instead, I will challenge myself to build an entire PCBA line by myself. It will probably not be cheaper. It will probably be the same compared with the hassle of developing it. It will be a large project. It will take a long time. So I hope you will like to join and see how it goes. First off, I will be developing a PCB delivery, then a conveyor belt to the solder paste dispenser system, a conveyor belt to the pick and place machine, then a conveyor belt to the reflow oven, and lastly a conveyor belt to the offloading and storage stage. With the conveyor belts between all stages, I'll be aiming at a fully automatic PCB assembly line from when you load in the PCB until you offload the finished PCB. As you might notice, there is no through-hole systems, so it's going to be an entirely surface mount technology system. Regarding the scope, I will require a minimum of 20 different SMD parts, and I would also like it to be expandable later on. The minimum size of the PCB should be 400 by 500, minimum size it can handle, of course. The thickness of the PCB should be able to range from 0.4 to 2.6 millimeters. I would like the PCB panel edge to be able to handle less than 3 millimeters. I want it to be fully automatic from PCB insertion to finished PCB. The two most challenging parts would be the precision of the pick and place machine, which I want to be down to 0.03 millimeters, as well as the two-step oven, both for the preheat and the cool down, with a maximum of 350 degrees. Furthermore, since this is a do-it-yourself build, I will also be designing a lot of components for the build myself. To overcome this, I will cut down on cost for external manufacturers by build a 3D printer. I will probably buy it and build it, and then I will print and design my own CNC machine so that I can machine all the metal parts myself. I hope it sounds interesting for you, and I hope you would like to follow the project. Let's begin. Mechanical parts I will draw up in Fusion 360, which is a very comprehensive software. You can download a free trial, or you can buy the subscription for $500 a year. If you are a student, they do offer a free student license for 1 year at a time, which I will completely recommend if you are qualified. Secondly, I will be using KiCad EDA for schematic design and PCB layout. I've been using it before, and it's also quite comprehensive. So these two tools will be my main tools for the project start. PLC and programming, of course, is still undecided upon. Arduino is, of course, very easy and straightforward to start with, but I would probably have to look into some more advanced systems, such as Siemens PLC. The next video will be a thorough review of the pick and place machine requirements, the reflow oven requirements, as well as the solder paste dispenser requirements. I hope to see you in the next video.